guess what today is? We made it. We did it. It's the last day of school. Are you excited?
It feels great to be finishing this school year. The energy Friday and today was high. The kids are excited, and we're all looking forward to a great summer.
So this morning, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn a little bit about Juneteenth.
Dear Nat and Moby, can you tell us about Juneteenth? The Civil War was over, and so was slavery in the South.
So, in a second, Mrs. Kleinkopf is going to start some music, and we are going to have an all Briarwood dance party.
We were so excited to see the growth in the kids this year, especially just felt like we were able to have a solid, normal year, and we saw so much growth in the kids, especially in reading and math. It's been amazing, and we're super excited to see what next year will bring.
Something memorable about this school year was my teachers and friends and Popcorn Fridays, really. I've never had that in any other school. And yeah, all the teachers I thought were very memorable.
Yeah, you do. You might have other friends.
Major, do you need more?
Yeah. I've got your monks. V-E-I-S-T. What are you drawing on?
There's open spots over there.
Something memorable was lunch with Romeo, where Miss Kalash picks two people to get to go have lunch with Romeo in a different room, which is always fun. He's famous throughout the whole school.
Well, do I have time? Nope.
Nope, school's out.
School's out.
I miss you. I miss you. I miss you.
We're almost done. So, my fifth graders. Oh, hi. Hey, you guys, everybody, like, hi. Come on in. Come on.
Here.